Hello everyone, you can see that we are going to do now the part 5 of the chapter mole concept, and I have given the heading of the topic as definition of atomic and molecular masses. Well, so how can we define atomic and molecular masses? I mean, you must have a question in your mind that so we already know that atomic mass is nothing but the mass of a single atom. Molecular mass is nothing but the mass of a single molecule. We know this apparently. Then why this topic is being discussed separately? That definition. What is the definition of atomic and molecular masses? Let me tell you one. Suppose a very newly invented element, one atom of which suppose this is symbolized by X. So one atom of this has a mass, suppose for an example, is near about 4 point or take it something better, 5.99 457,231, suppose some an arbitrary value, into 10 to the power minus 22 gram. 5.99457,231, as you understand, I am giving this completely arbitrary, into 10 to the power minus 22 gram. I am telling you this video is very important because within the experience that I have gathered in the last 15 years, I have seen that the conceptual areas are the most important thing which many students lack at. So it is one of that concept. You will see that it is apparently very simple. What is the definition of atomic and molecular mass? But this is not as simple as that. So the weight of this was measured, and this value is being given as this. Okay. Now we have to talk about the atomic mass. So atomic mass, we all understand it is not in gram. We will have to do it in AMU. So all of you know that 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram corresponds to AMU. 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram corresponds to 1 AMU. Okay, so I can write that 1 gram corresponds to 1 by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 AMU. I hope you people understand that. So how much gram we have? We have 5.99 into 10 to the power minus 22 gram is corresponding to this value only, 5.99457,231 into 10 to the power minus 22 by 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 AMU. It is very much important to know. I need to calculate this. I was bringing the calculator, so I will tell you the value exactly what you are getting. 5.99457,231 divided by 1.66. 5.99457,231 divided by 1.66. So this is giving me 3.6, almost 3.611, 3.61 you can take, into this goes up, so 10 to the power 2 AMU. So suppose this is a very heavy atom. Okay, 361 AMU means quite heavy atom. Well, that is fine. We don't want to comment about the whether it is heavy or whether it is light. Now the most important thing is, simple thing is, that what we actually have done here. Okay, I need to rub the first part. You can rewind the video and check it. That I don't want to rub this part. Okay, so you see this is, I can also rub this one. So this is the definition of atomic mass. Why? Because atomic mass is defined in AMU for a single atom. So what I have done, I have taken the atomic mass value in the right hand side, 361 AMU. So how has this come? So I can define this here. So atomic mass is equals to, what I have done, what is this? This is mass of a single atom. Whenever we are talking about this mass of a single atom, then we are concerned about expressing the mass in gram. Please understand, we are concerned about expressing the mass in gram, divided by what we have put here, 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. Please note down, my dear students, that this is corresponding to 1 AMU. Please keep a note. This is corresponding to 1 AMU. So this value is equals to mass of a single atom. Now you have to go back to my earlier videos. I must say, it is the first video. Those who are checking it for the first time, it is for the first video you have to go through. And this 1.6 is in 10 to the minus 24 actually came in this way, 1 by 12 into 1.992468 into 10 to the power minus 23. Do you all remember? This was nothing but the mass of the 6C12 atom. And how did it come? All those things have been discussed in that video. So ultimately when this by this is taken, that is 1 AMU. That means नीचे क्या रखना है? नीचे हमेशा 1 AMU रखना है. ये वैल्यू किसका है? ये 1 AMU का ही वैल्यू है. यानी नीचे हमेशा क्या रहेगा? 1 AMU ही रहेगा. So this is equals to mass of a single atom divided by 1 by 12 into, what is that? Mass of a 6C12 atom. Mass of a 6C12 atom. Mass of a 6C12 atom. Clear? Mass of a 6C12 atom. This was the mass of a 6C12 atom. So if I talk in AMU even, so this value is actually 12 AMU. So 12 cancel, 1 AMU, that is this one. Okay, so this is the definition of atomic mass. This is the definition of atomic mass. How do you do that? Mass of a single atom divided by 1 by 12 into mass of a 6C12 atom. That is, it is how many times heavier than 1/12 of the mass of a 6C12 atom. Believe me, many students don't understand this. Why this definition is taken? So understand, if I don't want to put here carbon, I want to put here 8 or 16. So no issue. So in comparison to oxygen you are doing it. So you will multiply here, sorry, I will put here in place, instead of 12, you will put here 16, because that will be 16 into 16, that is again equal to 1 AMU. You don't want to put here the oxygen scale. These are also called scale, carbon scale, oxygen scale. You want to put phosphorus 31. So you put here 31. Ultimately you have to bring here what? 1 AMU. You don't want to bring that. You want nitrogen. So 7 and 14. So you bring here 14. And if you don't want to do anything, so just you put mass of a single 1H1 atom. Mass of a single 1H1 atom, because that is also equal to 1 AMU. Forget about 1.008, take it as 1 AMU. So do you understand how the definition of atomic mass is coming? Now I am not changing much, I am just giving you the idea. If instead of this I give molecular mass, so no issue. Everything in the denominator will be same, only here it will be mass of a single molecule. So this value, whenever we are saying normally mass, so that value is always given in gram, needless to say that. So that will be mass of a single molecule divided by everything will be as we have done already. So this is the definition of atomic mass and molecular mass, and you can yourself understand that how the scales are being selected. I mean, if it is given in your paper that you do it with respect to carbon scale, so you do it. If it is given in oxygen scale, you do that. If it is given in nitrogen scale, you do that. If it is given in hydrogen scale, you do that. If it is given in phosphorus scale, you do that. If it being given that you have to do in sulfur scale, do that. Because the concept is there in your pocket, and that is that in the denominator we have to keep 1 mu. And how this 1 mu is actually being used, I have given the whole concept in the video. Please check the video again and again. Do learn it. Please give me the doubts in the comment box as well as in the WhatsApp group, so that I can actually clarify if there is any doubt in all of you. Thank you very much. The next video is coming very soon. Stay tuned and check this video again and again. Thank you very much.